So this is the survey about the sleeping habits and bed cover habits of people. If you see across India, there is some locally favored product that is used in that part that is completely suited to its climate and so on. Solapuri Sadar is the part, it's a beloved product in parts of Maharashtra or all of Maharashtra, I would say. Now the survey that I did, however, then why the drop? So there are some habits of people that have changed, and some of them, it makes sense. So number one, there are four things. So number one is that a large number of people are using AC. When at least AC in the summer months, so then even in summer months they are using either comforter or blanket kind of thing. A very thin zadar is not very useful here. The second thing that we see is that more than half, and this was a new thing for me, okay, more than half of the people use the same bed cover. So if there are two people sleeping on a double bed, they will use the same bed cover. Now again, this is something mainly Solapur Sadar comes in single bed format. The third thing that we found is that a lot of people use Solapuri Sadar as a bed sheet, okay, because it looks very good. But most majority of the people again who are living in apartments or flats, they would have a double bed, and then that becomes a problem. Now interestingly, majority, more than 90% of the people had actually knew about Solapuri Sadar, had used it in the past. But the thing is that Solapuri Sadar goes on for 20-30 years, so you don't need to replace it all that often. So while all of them had used it at some point in time in the past, there was nobody who had recently purchased it for their own use. And what they were using, what they were buying right now was more of Rajai, the Dohat from Jaipur, so on and so forth. The branded, the new brands that are coming in. So this was a thing that told me why the new purchases might have declined.